Alexis and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can hear me because there's music going on, but today we are at Hershey Park. I don't know if you can see, that's a sky view up there. But yeah, we're at Hershey Park and I'm gonna do a vlog, and I just wanted to address why I haven't posted in a long time. It's because I'm gonna make this account, my YouTube channel, more of a like travel and experience type account rather than a slime based account. So yeah, I was taking time just to like transition between that and think of ideas. So yeah, today we're at Hershey Park and I'm gonna film some rides and film some food for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to like it, subscribe down below to subscribe and spray. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so we're over here by the wave swinger and the sky rush is over there and the sky view's up there as I said. But the wave swinger is like down, like for like literally the whole ride is down. I don't know if you can see all the equipment in there. It's blurry, sorry. But yeah, I don't know what that's about, and I didn't know that, but yeah, the swing is literally down. Anyway, but yeah, we're still in the season pass time, so not many things are open, like Great Bear isn't open. We rode Super Duper Looper, Comet, and Candymonium, and I'm sure later we're gonna try the new Jolly Rancher rides. But yeah, I will see you guys with whatever we're doing next. Hi everyone, so we were over here by Moe's. I didn't know there was a Moe's here, and we're over here by the hand-rolled pretzels and grill or Subway's over here, and then right over there is a new ride called Mixed. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but we were actually in line for the ride. It just opened like 2 weeks ago for the public, and we were in line for it, and it actually broke down. And if you guys know anything about Mixed, there's a part where people are at the bottom and at the top, and there were still people at the top. Later I'm gonna try and get some footage of Mixed for you guys when it's running, and maybe we'll ride it and I'll tell you guys what I think, because it is new. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, we were in line for it, but we got out of line. And so yeah, now we're gonna be getting pretzels for lunch. So yeah, I will tell you guys how my pretzel is later. Okay everyone, so we're here and we got our pretzels, but I got a drink. It's a frozen lemonade. It's good. It's sticky, but it's lemonade, so. It kind of tastes like an Italian ice, which we were gonna get Rita's later today, so I don't know. Anyway, but we got a pretzel. I have no napkins, so I'm just gonna use a bag. This is what it looks like. I don't want everything to fall off. And I also got some cheese, so I'm gonna try them both for you guys. There's music and people screaming, so sorry, you can't hear me too well. Here's my piece. Dip it in some cheese. Oh! Fluffy cheese. It's a pretty good pretzel and good cheese. Sometimes Hershey Park doesn't have the best cheese. This is good. Yeah. I recommend as a snack. Okay, so we're over here by the Boardwalk and by Dispatch Pizzeria, and there's this new little shop over here called East Coast Burger Works, I believe. And so we got this mac and cheese burger, it looks like, and it came with these chips. So yeah, I'll try it for you guys. Okay you guys, so I tried the mac and cheese burger. It was okay. The bun was really hard. The mac and cheese was fine, didn't taste like much. The burger itself was fine. It was just really filling. I couldn't finish it all. But then there's also these chips. They taste like nothing. But yeah. Agreed. I'd eat here again, but maybe with a different thing. And maybe earlier in the day. Not too early, because it's not burger time. But yeah, I'll see you guys with the next activity. I didn't stop.
Welcome to the whip, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all set? Are we all clear? Well, let's go!
much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog at Hershey Park. I actually filmed this video about a month, maybe a month and a half ago actually, but there are a bunch of difficulties that happened with my editing software and my computer. I haven't been able to upload it, and I actually edited this whole video on my phone. I hope it turns out. If not, that's okay. I'll keep trying until I can get my computer to work and my software to work again. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to like it, subscribe down below, turn the rate subscribe into gray. Comment below what you want to see next, because it's still summertime, which means I can do more things out and about, and more like travel-y type things, more experiences, more adventures. I don't need to stay at home during school. I do kind of. So yeah, I will see you guys next time, hopefully next week, but if not, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah.